Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson with today's Tàijíquán Tip. And today's tip is to go through your practice and where and if and when you are so moved, vocally express onomatopoeia style the feeling that a given movement feels to be to you, at least in that moment. So what's important here is we don't route this through our sort of language center, our meaning making center, and we try and decide what sound should it be, what is it called, what is it named. Rather, I just would like you to practice, and when you feel expressive, it might be just occasionally, maybe it's every move, let the sound come out so that it's not about meaning, it's about expressing from the being. Perhaps it's emotional, I don't know. But it's not about communicating something to somebody else. So perhaps, shh, I don't know why, but it felt like that. Maybe just this time, maybe it always has, right? Maybe, oh, maybe that feels like, I don't know what that means, right? Maybe it feels like that. So I'm not trying to do a fudging. I'm not trying to breathe a certain way. I'm not trying to secretly communicate a thing to you. I'm just letting my body be a wind instrument, I suppose, and free of meaning making. So enjoy that, and remember, this art is full of meaning, and you mean a lot to the art, and it would mean a lot to the art for you to pass it on. Thank you.
Thank you for your support. We're relying on donations now more than ever. Here are all the ways that you can help. Online reviews, sharing videos, commenting, subscribing also help.